I got this pink vacuum as a housewarming gift, and look how freaking cute it is. So let's unbox it. I have seen these at Target, but I didn't like buy myself one. I don't know why, just because, I don't know. But I don't have a cordless one, so I'm super excited that this one's cordless because it's gonna make cleaning up quick messes so much easier. Look! It is so cute! The vacuum part of it, so cute! A brush. Here's the actual like battery part of it. The pole, that is so fun. Stop it. This is literally making like my life. Also, please ignore this. Like, I don't know why that's just all of a sudden there. That's cool. And a little piece. Here's the charging cord. All right, let's put it together. Cute. All right. Stop. Stop it. Why does it work so good? She's so cute. 10 out of 10. This just made cleaning so fun.